Good morning, guys, and welcome to another Working Mom Weekly Prep. Hey guys, Sarah here from Work Life Blue, and as always on every Sunday I post a video of what we did that weekend in the middle of all this COVID mess. We are, self-isolating. Stan isn't working for like the next month probably, and my families are pretty much mostly all staying home except for two. So it's been kind of a weird adjustment, but I haven't left the house in weeks really, but we are just driving to a park, not a playground park, but like a wildlife park to go walking on the trails. Obviously practicing social distancing, but it's like 9 o'clock right now, so but yeah, I already filmed some stuff from this morning, so that'll be next, but then it will get back up to right now. So we are doing a resurrection egg every day leading up to Easter. By the time you guys see this, it will be Easter. But Celia is getting big enough to do stuff like this. So each letter has a corresponding number. So what letter is number 1? A. What number 5? What is that? E. So she's filling this out. Bryony hasn't got it up yet, quite yet, but she's just probably gonna do this. She's just probably gonna color this. She's 2. She doesn't quite understand this stuff yet, but and then we'll open up.
She's 2.5, you mean?
She is 2.5. You're right. So we kind of got behind because I got distracted by everything going on right now. Yep. So we're gonna open 2 today when Bryony gets up and read the book that goes along with it, which is really cool. So it says, Judas betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. Do you remember what that means? What does it mean to betray someone? It means to do something against them, like break their trust. So he told them where Jesus was hiding. What was in our pink egg? Coins. Silver coins. What's in the purple egg? What is it?
A wine cup.
A cup. We are so excited. Papa just picked up a special breakfast.
They are fresh and they're warm.
Rose mixed berries. Somebody close by that we know makes baked goods out of her home, like legally, and so we're really excited. Mixed berry. I can't wait. I'll just go and see what happens. Okay. Sam is on his way into Target. There were a few things we needed, and of course we're not all going in. But the girls are watching a VeggieTales movie, and they're eating some snacks, and I'm gonna drink my Caribou and scroll Instagram. Santa's laying Bryony down. Celia's gonna watch a movie and relax, and I am actually gonna do an online course I joined for like online entrepreneurs and stuff. I'm really excited about. I don't know about you guys, but this time with all the COVID stuff has just really caused me to have a lot of like self-reflection and reflection on our life, and I don't know, it's caused me to ask questions I didn't think I would ask, just about career and family and I don't know, just like all the things, when you're really forced to think about like, what if my daycare has to close for a few weeks, or what if Stan doesn't have income? Like, it really made us stop and like look at every situation and outcome and all of that, and it's just been kind of interesting. And I don't know, I don't want to say exciting. It's been a really hard time for us and for a lot of people, but it's just, I don't know, it's kind of like the silver lining, I guess, is to really evaluate, are we heading in the direction we want to be heading? Of course, we don't know what the next few months hold as far as getting sick and stuff like that, but it's just, you know, thinking about, you know, do we want more than 3 kids or do we not? Like, just going through all this while pregnant has been for sure challenging and scary, but I'm trying not to let the fear overtake me, and I'm just trying to stay focused on our goals and our dreams, and still continuing to help inspire and motivate others, and just do what I feel called to do on earth, even when it's a really crazy time. So I'm just curious, like, has your perspective on things changed at all through this experience? Have you made any life changes or decisions, or started something new, or changed routines, or, you know, what has come of that? I mean, we've been thinking about homeschooling now because we don't know what September is gonna bring, and Celia starts kindergarten. Like, there's just so many things that we're like considering that we had thought about in the back of our mind happening one day, but haven't really put a ton of thought into it happening soon until now, just because you're kind of forced to look at all the options because we don't know what's gonna happen, and we wanna somewhat kind of be prepared no matter what happens to us. So just curious if you guys are going through similar conversations or thoughts. I can't get into a lot of detail right now, you guys, but I'm just super excited. I've been learning a lot and dreaming a lot. I actually made this dream life journal that I'm starting. I've done this a bazillion times, but I feel like I have a lot of power in me right now. I don't know the right word. Stop. Okay, anyway, but Celia, ooh, so we got this book for her for, was it for Christmas? Probably. Yeah. Learn to Draw a Princess Kingdom. And so we're getting this out. She's learning how to draw a frog and a dragonfly. So it takes you step by step. So it's really good for kids her age. And then she can also try on some paper. She loves her clip-on earrings she got for her birthday. I will share that I'm kind of working on not necessarily rebranding Work Life Glue, but like actually branding it for the first time, like with color scheme and a logo. But I'm also dreaming bigger than that even, and just learning so much and hoping to offer even more value to you guys, and to be able to pour more into this channel and various other avenues, and I don't know, just really take this dream I've had for a really long time and finally give it the energy and time and focus that I want to give it, which I've been holding back for so long just because it's been really hard. But now that I have a little more time than normal, I just feel like now is the time. I ordered a heart rate monitor, guys, because there's a very good chance I won't be going in for my prenatal appointments except my like 20-week ultrasound, which I'm actually 20 weeks now, but I'm going in 2 weeks. Just wait, baby. So they told me to try to check my own like vital signs at home. So I ordered this, so that should be interesting. It truly is amazing and kind of crazy to me how much I'm affected by the sun. Celia and I worked on these hearts this week. I don't know if you guys have that going on in your area. I think it's like a worldwide or like countrywide thing that people are putting hearts or bears in their window for people walking by for like solidarity. Anyway, you can't really see the sun shining through them, but it's just beautiful, and the snow's melted. I think we're gonna go outside. Sam's going to check to see if it's, I love them dancing in the windows. See if it's dry enough. We'll hang outside, and we've got hot dogs and brats we're gonna make for supper. I would love to put up our like, not pergola, but like awning pergola thing that we took down for the winter. I would love to put it back up and put up like our couches and chairs out there. I don't want them to get wrecked if it snows again. But it would make it so much nicer to sit out there if they were up. I'd love to know, when do you guys put out your patio furniture and stuff? If you live in a climate that you have to like put them away or cover them or whatever.
Getting the old Weber fired up to make some dinner. Still don't know what to make yet. I found some tri-tip at Aldi. We have hot dogs, we got chicken wings, we got burger. I don't know. Just trying to think of what to do.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, and we are spending the morning building an epic fort. Oops, sorry, Brandy. You gonna go in? Show us the tour. So we've got access to the tent there. They've got little compartments they can lay in. Can I see? Pretty cool. I used to love making forts, so it was fun to help them build this morning. We don't have a whole lot of plans today except to plan for the week. Stan is gonna be home all week, so we wanna make sure we have like some stuff he can do and kind of get into like a routine so we're not bickering at each other all day and getting in each other's way, because I still have kids Monday through Thursday and then off Friday and Monday for Easter weekend, even though probably not doing a whole lot. But I already put clothes away from the girls. We're doing some more laundry. Not a whole lot to do. Tidy, clean the bathrooms, vacuum a little bit. Not a whole lot to do. Maybe we'll probably go for a walk later because it's pretty nice out today. We have just been hanging out. We're in the girls' room, Silly's room. Bryony, what are you ready for? You're ready for rain. Just found a raincoat and some rain boots. Silly's playing like ballet school. And soon we're gonna go for a walk. I think we'll do a kids like Palm Sunday service on YouTube or something before lunch. That's usually when we give them some screen time. Just because, I don't know, last time they got really wild when we tried to watch. So we will try to do that while maybe Sam's making lunch or something. It's so funny how it was all snow yesterday morning and now there's barely any left, and it's super bright sun and looks really warm out. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm looking more and more pregnant each day. It's kind of crazy. I'm 20 weeks now. I'll be 21 weeks by the time you guys see this. But wow, baby number 3 coming in full-fledged pregnant.
Smash it!
Yay! Oh! You okay? We're outside again, San. We found an extra bag of mulch from last year. We put it under the swing because it gets so muddy. San's working on, he's gonna, what are you gonna smoke? A pork shoulder?
Yeah, for your mom.
He's gonna smoke a pork shoulder today. And the girls are just hanging out. Outdoor picnic style lunch.
Brady, get off! You have to get off onto the black chair.
Watch out, Brainy, watch out!
Yeah. Papa, is that what the skeleton is? Skeleton!
Oh my gosh, I was like falling asleep. I was using a pool noodle as a pillow. I was like falling asleep.
Gorgeous.
Outside, the sun feels so good. There's not a cloud in the sky. I'm probably gonna get sunburned, but oh my gosh. This is what my heart like just thrives on. It's so beautiful out. So I haven't really filmed most of the day. We were just enjoying it, but we have been outside like crazy. San worked on some recipes during nap and still cooking his pork shoulder, and the girls and I, we played outside. Our city actually did like a parade of the fire department and the ambulances and police cars, so that was really fun, and we had Subway for dinner as a picnic outside. So we are just soaking up this Sunday, enjoying every moment, and hope you guys did and are as well. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye guys.